Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about COUNTIF function. In COUNTIF function, you can count the number of values in your data table. Before I start my video further, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the all future videos notification. In this data table, I have cost center, gender, employee name and their basic salaries. So in my first scenario, I want to count the number of employees in each cost center. So for this, I will use COUNTIF function equal count if bracket. The first argument is range, so I will select the range and I will fix the range by using $sign, comma. The second argument is criteria. This is my criteria, bracket close, press enter. And you can see I got the answer 5. If you go to the database and count the number of employees in this call center, then you can know that there are 5 employees in this call center. So you will copy this formula and paste it down. Similarly, you will get the number of employees in each cost center. In my second scenario, I want to count the number of employees by their basic salaries. For example, I want to see that how many employees who is getting the salaries less than 2000 and how many employees getting the salary less than 5000 and how many employees getting their salaries which are greater than 6000. So for this I will use countif function equal countif bracket. The first argument is range, so I will select the range of basic salaries because I want to count the number of employees by the basic salaries. I will fix it by using $sign, comma, and this is my criteria, bracket close, press enter. So I have one employee who is getting the salary less than 2000. Similarly, I will copy this formula and paste it down, and you can see we have 11 employees who are getting the salaries less than 5000 and 8 employees who are getting the salaries greater than 6000. So in this way you can use countif function in your daily routine work or as per your requirement. Hopefully guys you like this video. Thank you very much.